Good morning, students. Yesterday I had sent you video of the introductory part of circulatory system, and we had read about the types of fluid which flow in our body and even the non-circulating fluid which are there in our body. And today we are going to do the functions of blood. And the main functions of blood in our body can be treated under two broad headings, that is transport and protection. So two main functions are there of blood: transport and protection. First we are going to study about the transport by blood. Blood helps in transport of digested food, oxygen, carbon dioxide, excretory substances, hormones and body heat. So first, transport of digested food from the alimentary canal to the tissues. So the food is carried by the blood from the alimentary canal to the tissues, and these substances are simple sugars like glucose, amino acids, vitamins, mineral salts, etc. And next is transport of oxygen. This oxygen is transported from the lungs to the tissues, and it occurs by means of the red blood cells. And in the red blood cells is present the hemoglobin, I told you that day, and it combines with oxygen to form unstable compound called oxyhemoglobin, which on reaching to the tissues breaks up to deliver oxygen. So this oxyhemoglobin breaks up to give oxygen to the tissues. Next is transport of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is transported from the tissues to the lungs by blood. It occurs partially in combination with hemoglobin. So part of the carbon dioxide combines with hemoglobin and forms an unstable compound called carbaminohemoglobin. And part of the carbon dioxide just gets dissolved in the blood plasma. So in this way, carbon dioxide is transported by blood. Partially it combines with hemoglobin and partially as solution in plasma. And next is transport of excretory material. And this excretory material is transported from the tissues to the liver, kidneys or the skin for elimination or to render them harmless. So blood transports the waste material from the tissues to the liver, kidneys or skin to be removed or eliminated from the body. Then distribution of hormones. These hormones, which are secreted by the endocrine glands, are directly poured into the blood, and it is the blood which carries it to the target organ. And last is distribution of heat. The blood helps in keeping the temperature of the body uniform by distributing heat, because blood keeps on circulating in the body, and the heat is also uniformly distributed throughout the body by blood. Next is blood forms a clot. That is second main function, that is protection by blood. And this blood, it forms a clot wherever there is a cut in the blood vessel. So wherever a blood vessel gets cut, clot is formed, and this clot serves to prevent further loss of blood. So further loss of blood is prevented, and the germs also do not enter into the body through the cut. And next is its white blood corpuscles protect the body from diseases by engulfing bacteria which may have entered the body. So the white blood cells which are present in the blood, they engulf the disease-causing germs which enter into the body. It produces antitoxins and antibodies which neutralize the poisonous substances or kills the germs which enter the body. So blood even produces antitoxins, and these antitoxins are the ones, and the antibodies, they neutralize the toxic or the poisonous effect of the germs which enter into the body. So antitoxins and antibodies produced by the blood, they neutralize the poisonous effect of the germs. Here progress check is given. Name 2 fluids that circulate in the body, that is blood and lymph. In a colored diagram, why do we generally show the pulmonary artery in blue and pulmonary vein in red? Because pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood. Mostly arteries carry oxygenated blood. It is only one artery, that is pulmonary artery, which carries deoxygenated blood, and pulmonary vein carries oxygenated blood. That is why it is shown in red color. Then name any 4 substances transported by blood. One is digested food, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and excretory material. So this is about the progress check. And the composition of blood we had done in the online class. Now next part is white blood cells, which we will do next time.